fastest delivery I've ever experienced in my life. And this, guys, is what I'm excited to tell you about. So you might be saying, wow, that's a pretty nice hat you got there. And where'd you get it and why are you wearing it? Well, this is the exciting news that I've been wanting to tell you about. Really super excited because Z1 Motorsports, they've clearly recognized the effort and the quality content that this channel produces. They've decided to become a sponsor for the 350Z. Super pumped. Ordered a bunch of parts yesterday, and they already came in this morning. So this is a part also that we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about it separately because it's its own animal. But let's get right into what we got going on here, shall we? This is a new product that I'm excited about. Z1 Motorsports. This is like the little dress-up kit for the front of your engine. Hides the wire harness and whatnot, so this is cool. Anodized black, little Z1 logo.
Let's get a zoom in here.
That's gonna clean up.
Oh yeah, that's
everything.
nice. Nice.
Keep the chit chat to a minimum.
Sorry.
This is just the battery cover for the missing piece that we have on the car. Did I mention again that Z1 is sponsoring this car? The hat? The part? Oh man. We're taking the car in to get some surgery done already. We have, I'm going to show what's in this box here, so I'm putting it all up. This is the Z1 Motorsports clutch kit. I think they call it the Street Performance.
Stick it in the background.
Big dog. Got the flywheel. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm not taking it all up. Anyways, we got the Street Performance clutch. We got the, what's in here? Throwout bearing. And I think it comes with a clutch line, which we already replaced. This is the clutch sleeve and the clutch fork. This is actually, I need a knife. Early models of the Z, I don't know if it's beyond 2003, but 2003 for sure had like the steel clutch fork. It would bend, especially if you get into some aggressive driving or you get a more aggressive clutch, which we may have. I don't even know, the previous owner didn't know. But we got the upgraded clutch fork so it can hold the pressure. But anyway, that steel clutch fork, when they bend, they just can bend a little bit, and that way you don't actually get the full range of movement in the clutch fork. So then that's why I think our clutch engage is so close to the floor. Can potentially lead to transmission feeling really hard going into gear. We don't want to burn up a clutch. So here's the difference. It's a solid cast piece, and this is much more sturdy and stable. That'll hold that.
It's like a wrench.
Pressure coming from that slave cylinder, pushing it so you can disengage the clutch. Okay, just to clarify, this is the Z1 Performance Street or Street Performance clutch. It has the full face sprung friction plate, and we went with the lightweight flywheel, Z1 Motorsports lightweight flywheel. I was going to get the midweight flywheel, but talking with the owner of the shop that the car is going to have this clutch installed at Ultimate Motorsports and Racing in Greenville, Taylor, South Carolina. He suggests to just go with a lightweight flywheel. It takes a little bit of getting used to it, to driving a car with a lightweight flywheel. Apparently, I've never driven one that I know of with a lightweight flywheel, but I went with his suggestion, just went for it, and we went ahead with the Street Performance clutch just in case we decide to go crazy with this car. And I think they say this clutch can hold 500 or 600 horsepower or something like that, so we should be good to go for a long while, being sub 300 for who knows how long. But at least we don't have to pull everything apart and install a heavier duty clutch when we do increase horsepower, so this will be sufficient for now. Take a gander at the pressure plate here as well. beautiful. We're gonna be in there. I just went ahead and got the rear main seal as well. This is just the OEM pivot ball. We got the dust boot because I'm missing mine, and throttle bearing there as well. And you guys already saw the installation video of the clutch line with the heat shielding on it. This is just, so this I guess will just be an extra one. It comes with the kit, so whatever. I mean, doesn't hurt to have one. But very, very exciting news. Thank you very much to Z1 Motorsports for jumping in and being willing to sponsor this project. It's super exciting. Hopefully this paves the way for much more in-depth modifications in this car. It's going to be real exciting. So I hope you guys stick around, follow along, hit the subscribe button, bell notification, all that whole nonsense. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Appreciate it. Appreciate the continued support. We'll see you in the next one.
All right, everyone, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more content.
Oh, hold up. Here.
And thank you to Z1 Motorsports for sponsoring this car.